in the apartment of friends of ours. Here, the floor is made of encaustic cement tiles. They are very beautiful, original, and more than 100 years old. So our friends want to keep them. But as you will see, because over the time they are in very bad condition. Now we will show you how to clean and restore them at home with materials and tools that are not professional.
Here you can see the floor that we have to restore, how badly damaged it is. Because of its condition, the repair will be in 3 etaps. We are starting with sandpaper number 40 because it cleans the tile deeper. The process is very time consuming and slow, but worth it. The difference can already be seen here. Here we are in the other room, where we start again with sandpaper number 40. The tiles here are much worse. When you do this, you really need to put on a nice dust mask. The second stage of cleaning the tile after sandpaper number 40 is with sandpaper number 80. It cleans the tile more delicately and smooths it. For maximum effect, one piece of sandpaper cleans or smooths one piece of tile. It wears out very quickly because the surface is hard. This is what the tile looks like sanded and clean of dust. This is the next stage. Place on the dry tiles cleaner on powder with active chlorine, and with wet sponge rub well. That we are doing with fiber scourer. Then clean with a clean squeeze wet sponge. Absorb the water well and dry it with kitchen paper. This is the anti-stain protector that we will use today. We pour it into a basin and add the same amount of 2 bottles of water. We mixed it well with the brush to dissolve well. After the floor is sanded and very well cleaned, we will apply detergents that will seal it and protect it from contamination, usually for a year. We apply it first in one direction and then in the other with a wide and flat brush. We will apply this solution twice, waiting for it to dry for 3 or 4 hours every time. For this floor, we used a detergent that dissolves with water 1 to 2. The amount was enough to apply the entire area, but if you want, you can use detergents of another type like this one or this one. They do not dissolve in water, and 1 liter of them is for 10 square meters. The effect they create is bright and wet. is the floor ready treated. We are very pleased with the result. If you like our work and need to clean and restore your floor, you can contact us. We work in the Valencian community of Spain. And if you like our video, give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye.